Okay, so we are getting to the end of our extra fractions unit. We are going to, today your lesson is on multiplying whole numbers and mixed numbers by mixed numbers. Or by multiplying whole numbers by fractions and whole numbers by mixed numbers. So, we're going to walk through some examples. So, when you multiply a whole number and a mixed number, it's like if you're doing 4 times 3 and 5/7. You've got a couple steps. The first step is you have to break up the mixed number. So 4 is our whole number. We have to break our mixed number up. And we do that with addition. So 3 and 5/7 we break into 3 plus 5/7. Now our second step is we have to multiply the whole to each part we just broke up. So we have to do 4 times 3, and then we have to do 4 times 5/7. So when we do that, we know 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 5/7. When you multiply a whole number by a fraction, your denominator stays the same, and you multiply the whole number times the numerator. So 4 times 5/7 equals 27. Well, we know that 27 is an improper fraction. So we have to convert that to a mixed number. So we could use our number bond, we could divide. However we do it, we know that we get 2 and 6/7. So now we have 12 and we have 2 and 6/7. Our final step is we just add these parts together. So we add 12 plus 2 and 6/7, and that equals 14 and 6/7. So we're going to do 2 examples, and these examples are going to be from your lesson. So it'll be 2 less you have to do, and you only have 9 to do anyway. So, we're going to do 4 times 9 and 1/5. So we know that the first thing we have to do is we have to break up the mixed number. 4 times, we break 9 and 1/5 up to 9 plus 1/5. Now, we need to multiply the whole number to both parts. So we have 4 times 9, and we have 4 times 1/5. Okay, 4 times 9 we know is 36. 4 times 1/5. My denominator stays the same, it stays 5. I multiply my whole number times my numerator. 4 times 1 is 4. So now we need to check 4/5. Is that proper or is that improper? It's proper, so we don't have to convert it. So now my last step is to add my two parts. 36 plus 4/5 equals 36 and 4/5. So we broke them up. We broke up the mixed number. We multiplied our whole number to each part. Once we made sure that our fraction was proper, then we added our pieces together. All right, the last one that we're going to do, we are going to do, so it might be written as 5 and 6/8. So you might see it as where you've got your whole number first, 5 and 6/8. I'm going to make sure I'm multiplying it by the right number, times 4. If that happens, 5 and 6/8 times 4, we always want our whole number first, so we're just going to rewrite it. 4 times 5 and 6/8. So now we're ready to start. We know we have to break apart our mixed number, so 5 and 6/8 turns into 5 plus 6/8. Now I need to multiply my whole number to both of those. So 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6/8. Okay, my denominator stays the same. And I'm going to multiply my whole number times my numerator. 4 times 6 equals 24. Okay, 24/8. Proper or improper? We know that it is improper, so we need to convert 24/8 to a mixed number. So I am going to try and divide 24/8. Well, I know 8 can't go into 2, so now I'm going to be looking at 24. How many times can 8 go into 24? 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. So 8 can go into 24 3 times. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. I have nothing left to bring down, and I have no remainder. So that means that 24/8 is really the same as 3 wholes. So I got rid of my improper fraction. Now I'm ready to add my two parts. 20 plus 3 equals 23. So 4 times 5 and 6/8 equals 23. When you do it, just make sure you follow the steps, break them apart, multiply your whole number to each part, make sure you convert any improper fractions to mixed numbers, and you'll be good to go.